Hey guys, it's Devin here, and today I'm doing a Btd5 video, so let's get right onto this. Sorry it's been a while, guys. It's been really hard to record without my sister being at France. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And yeah, let's go. Wait, let me lower this bullshit down there. There we go. So yeah, let's get right into this. Red. I am a very high rank, so just ignore that. We are going to do a new game, and leave in the comments what mode you want me to do. As you can see, I'm pretty good. Today we are going to do, let's do firework on easy. Come on. Okay. I'm going through all of them. I'm trying to get mastery, guys, so that's why I'm only doing bronze and silver. But yeah, I should only be doing bronze, but okay, let's do this. Okay, what should I pick? Let's go the classic dart monkey, and let's get a juggernaut. Let's get that. I'm gonna put it on last, so it just shoots down that line. Triple dart already, look at that. And actually, I will be doing some balloon TD battles on the cards update, which is really, really good. So, anyway, let's get right into this. Anyway, so yeah, let's get that range upgraded. I will be getting, like, actually, no, that can be done. Let me just, actually, oh, no, I've done it wrong, god damn it. Anyway, yeah. I'll probably, actually, wait, hold on. How about, instead of getting a cannon, I get this, and then get, no, that's a good idea. And, by the way, guys, today, I've got really bad news. My Boo and Minecraft, they both reset on my tablet, so we've lost the world, and I cannot get it back. I'm so sorry. I've tried my best, but we are starting it again today. My sister will be joining me, and, yeah. Yeah. Sorry guys, my dad just came home. So let's go. I need to get that. Let's just keep getting our eco up. Not eco, we're not playing balloon. More camera detection, lads. Anyway, there we go. And let's talk about something. By the way, guys, I will be, I might record 2 Minecraft P0s today, and yeah, just because we haven't been uploading really. But yeah, I think we should be okay for this defense at the moment. Actually, let me get rid of that one. Let's save up. At the moment, I think we're going to be fine for that lead round. We just need to get ready for that. Get that super monkey up, so we can take down that what's it called? Bloody Actually, let's get a wizard up. Yeah. Oh, look at that lightning bolt. Boom. This is going to be my camera. That's going to be my camera and my lead, which is really good. Okay. And if I get into fire breath, he will be destroying them, what's it called? Moabs. Sorry, guys, I have hay fever and a cold. It's very odd. Very odd. Very odd today, son. This is gonna go well, I think. Oh, it should be actually. Let's get a another wizard up in here. that up and running. Yeah. Once my sister's iPhone charges, we should be up and running on Minecraft. That's why I'm doing this first. Anyway, I will be doing a vlog tomorrow. I might do a vlog tomorrow just on the channel and how much running it over. I'll show you my calendar. We've actually maxed it out. Anyway, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's quite a nice day today. So let's just carry on. Yeah. Oh, and something else. I will not be doing any like Xbox videos yet. I'm gonna wait until I get enough money so I can buy a camera and a stand so I can stand it up and like do it like that. So yeah. Anyway, let's just. This back one here will be a tornado. How about myself? I was going to Wizard Mania, lads. There you go. Let's just get everything down. Yeah. I don't think there's anything that these ones can't destroy. Look at that, they wreck. Yeah, so let's go. Just gonna turn around. Oh, these are my charger. What? Anyway, let's keep going. Oh, I can nearly get the dragon's breath, which is good. Oh my, 30 put there. Boom. Look at how many, look at that points. Look at that, just look at it. I am actually squirrely. And Superbug. Oh, we have backup money. Look at that egg. There we go. Oh, baby. Let's just get that super range on this thing. I think we're gonna be okay. Hopefully I can make it, cause yeah, so just carry on. Ooh, that was so close. Let me just get a Btd5 faster production, just in case things go wrong. Let's get them hot spikes. Okay, next one a Moab comes around, so I could have my wits about me. Let's get that up. So yeah, here we go. Oh, we have wrecked it. Oh, we smashed that. Yeah, we just wrecked that Moab. Anyway, go and check out Speeding Ghost and Spotty Gamer 118. Go and subscribe to their channels. They have great content on there. They just do exactly like I do. But they actually edit their videos. I try and edit, but I fail miserably. Look at my points. This round should be good. Yeah, I'm gonna win. Yay. Yay. 1 token. Okay, you can stop. Wait, if this is glitched, I'm gonna be so mad. Okay, any other? Let's go on a 7, 5, 6. I think I might have to save up. Let's actually just try it really quickly, guys. Let's see if that actually did save. Because if it didn't, I will do it after this video. I'll just quickly, because you saw me complete that, didn't you? Don't lie. There we go. So I think I'll call that a video, guys. Thank you for watching. And of course, please subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.